Hey y'all, if you want to see how I brought this gorgeous rhinestone tumbler to life, stick around because it's giving major Libra energy. I'm starting off with a 24-ounce Plump with a handle from the Tipsy Magnolia. First things first, I taped out the bottom and painted it with Dixie Belle bonding boss. Now you're going to see the cut looking gold later on. And listen, if I can time travel, I definitely would have painted it gold before putting the stencil on. But hey, we live, we learn, and we bling. I cut a Libra flower and symbol stencil from Cricut stencil vinyl. It was originally a coloring page I found online. Then I uploaded it to ChatGPT and said, make these lines bolder please. It's not perfect every time, but it can be a fun little design assistant when you need quick edits. Once my stencil was on, I filled it in with acrylic paint markers to make the design pop. This color mix is called Un-Bri-Lievable by Brianna from Simply Bri Creative, and she did her thing with this one. It's full of soft pinks, whites, and rose golds. I paired it with Desert Rose Lily, which has the prettiest gold reflect, Mulberry for the flowers, Pine for the leaves, and outlined with this dreamy black called Onyx. Literally the prettiest black rhinestone I ever seen. I only use SS8s and smaller stones, especially SS3s, for those tight details. When you're working on a design this intricate, you want your full lineup of sizes ready to go so you can bounce between colors easily. For the word Libra, I outlined with SS3s, and let me tell you, that was tedious. Like, reward myself with snacks tedious. I also added tape underneath the letters to keep them lined straight when rhinestoning. I didn't film the main body being blinged because I worked on it off camera, but I did start with the foundation rose on the top and bottom, and then filled in the rest. I'll link a video showing how I do that on Handle Cuts if you want to see the process. And here she is, the finished beauty. I am obsessed with how this turned out. I can already smell Libra season in the air, and I just know us Libras are about to take over. Drop your zodiac sign in the comments and tell me which one I should rhinestone next. And as always, thank you for watching.